ke New Shillong Township Development Agency ne ka siningkong kala Aiti ya ka jaka ha New Shillong medde ya ka National Law University bat ka Meghalaya State Judicial Academy ya ka ni ka jaka la Aiti do Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Conrad ke sangma sha Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court Ubadeiru Chancellor ka National Law University Sanjeev Banerjee hagajingelong ka balong hamau pedang mau khanu aba ajin kran Menteri Rangba ka Jylla wala pen pa wa ka Sorkar Jylla kala shai kadar halor ka jingthu jangka na ka benda ka Jylla badong bakum balong kiwe kiri bala royal par ka Jylla ru kala jam thakmat pen kintiu ya ka yok kot Menteri Rangba ulo ong baga jingkiu ka roy ka par ka shong ha ka jingdan kibri betbit menteri kam bat kumta kalong ke badan kam bat sedang na kanu ka kam bat namar kata ke polisi jang ka Sorkar kalaya chkhmat ha ka ban pintikna bakan kin shobha ha ka ban pinmi ek nyong shong snong bat tibet tre kam ki bende ki lawai jong ka Jylla jipala yudan lang ha ka sni ki kin thop ya ka menteri ka tanat an kong amperin lingdo bat menteri ka tanat puli rakam e sangma ki judge ka High Court bat vice chancellor ka National Law University Professor Indrahit Dubey u secretary ka tanat an ba CV dingdo but member secretary ka New Shillong Township Development Agency ba E Karmalki.
We are clear in our agenda for the state. For a very long time, the state of Meghalaya, and in fact many other economies in the country and across the world, have been what we all call an extractive form of economy, which basically means we extract our resources and we built on selling these resources, and that's how the economy or the GDP grows. And hence, we have seen many nations, especially the smaller nations, which have managed to move from what we call an extractive economy into something which we call a regenerative economy. And the regenerative economy is an economy that develops a lot and bases a lot on the human capital that you have. And hence, if Meghalaya in the years to come, in decades to come, this is not going to happen in a single day or a year. But in the course, in the future, if a state like ours has to move forward and come into an area where we start looking at becoming more of a regenerative economy, it is only through development of human capital can we achieve it. And hence, though we have a large number of challenges that the state faces, we have to start somewhere. And the start may not always be easy. And sometimes we may fail. Sometimes things might not go as planned. But as we have always believed, that it is our duty to put in that effort, provide that vision, and move towards it and take a step and give it our best. And therefore you must have seen that in the last many years, in spite of the numerous amount of challenges, our policy has moved towards ensuring that we started investing in this human capital that we believe is the future for our state and for our country.